This year, Nothing is set to make a significant mark in the smartphone industry with the highly anticipated launch of its Phone 3 series. The Nothing Phone 3 is expected to feature the powerful Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset. Benchmark tests have showcased its impressive performance, with a single-core score of 1,149 and a multi-core score of 2,813. The device will come preloaded with Android 15, optimized with Nothing OS 3.0. While the standard model strikes an excellent balance between performance and affordability, there is growing anticipation for the Nothing Phone 3 Plus, which may cater to tech enthusiasts with even more advanced capabilities. Industry speculation suggests that the Nothing Phone 3 Plus could feature the Snapdragon 8S Elite chipset. If these rumors hold, the Plus variant would position itself as a flagship-level device at a more accessible price. The series is also rumored to introduce an innovative action button inspired by Apple's designs. Positioned for easy one-handed access, this button is expected to provide versatile functionality, potentially serving as a quick camera shortcut, a customizable command interface, or offering dynamic usability enhancements. On the camera front, the Nothing Phone 3 is rumored to include a dual-camera system, potentially featuring advanced imaging technology like Sony's Lytia sensor, or the 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor. With phase detection, autofocus, and optical image stabilization, users can expect clear and stable shots even in challenging lighting conditions. Storage options are expected to range from 128 GB to 512 GB. The iconic, transparent back design is set to make a return, incorporating a refined glyph interface and customizable LED notifications. Hardware upgrades are also expected across the board. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, will likely power the series. The battery is rumored to receive a significant boost, with a capacity of 5,000 mAh and improved fast-charging capabilities for minimal downtime. The Phone 3 is set to feature a 6.5-inch display, while the Phone 3 Plus may sport a larger 6.7-inch screen. Interestingly, a recently leaked email from Carl Pei, CEO of Nothing, has unveiled exciting details about the upcoming Nothing Phone 3 and the company's ambitious plans for 2025. Titled 2025, Nothing's Year of Innovation. The email highlights the early launch of the Nothing Phone 3, expected in March 2025, describing it as a landmark product. Nothing recently shared a teaser on X featuring a pixelated image of the Pokémon Arcanine, continuing its tradition of using Pokémon names as internal code names for its products. While the teaser doesn't explicitly reveal the product, speculation suggests it could be a smartphone, either the Nothing Phone 3 or the Phone 3A. The company has already confirmed the launch of the Nothing Phone 3, and a recently leaked email from CEO Carl Pei hinted at another smartphone launch this year, potentially the Nothing Phone 3A. Considering the release timeline of previous models, the flagship Nothing Phone 3 is likely to launch first. When it comes to the pricing, the standard model is anticipated to start at $499, while the Premium Plus variant may be priced at $699. What features of the Nothing Phone 3 series excite you the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more updates.